But let's talk briefly about how you would increase profits with information, because it is with that information that we make little adjustments to increase our sales. Now, whenever you sell a product online, it's rare when you have a hit right out of the box. It probably takes a little while before you can figure out exactly what people want, and then you offer it to them. And you've got to make little adjustments to the sales process. And even if you're reaching your financial or your sales goals, you need to know whether or not you could have done better. Perhaps you had 300 sales or 300 units of sales, but you probably could have had 500 if you had had better information. Because sales figures are really only one part of the equation. Even after you get the conversion rate, the earnings per clicks, and the traffic numbers from the affiliate platforms, they only tell part of the story as to how well you're doing and how well you could have done. Now, in order to know what to change in order to do better, we need to know whether or not people are making positive decisions on their way to buying our product online. And so we have certain questions we want to answer. We want to know for certain if the majority of the people came from an email or did they come from social media. How many people came to our landing page or our bridge page and then decided not to go on? How many people are coming to our site that are brand new, and how many are existing customers or visitors or prospects? You see, we can answer all of these questions and questions like them by having Google Analytics installed on our website and configured at every step of the process for the individuals that visit our sites. But see, Google Analytics requires that we know how to set it up so that we're able to collect the right statistics as well as to get to the right reports. Now, we can show you how to set it up correctly if you follow the links on this page. Then you'll be able to make the adjustments on the right things at the right time that can increase your profits.